Well, this is just a short video on the Dodge Journey 2017, and if you're getting the check engine light that's coming on, the very best thing you can do is get one of these OBD2 scanners, also known as a code reader, and hook it up to your onboard computer. And you do that right underneath the dash. Now this one was only like $17 or something. I just have to get it hooked in there. Make sure your system is turned off when you plug that in. And then you can turn your car on. Alright, and obviously I'm going to have a check engine light. And this sensors ready to go into scan. And all you got to do is hit enter. And this is the very best way to clear the check engine light. Don't try to disconnect the battery. Not in your Dodge Journey 2017. It's not just under the hood. You got to get into the fender well. So, just get your OBD2, hook it up, and I'm going to read the codes first. It says evaporator emission system, leak detected, very small leak. And that's true. I was going up this little driveway hill out here, and I had just turned the car on and it hadn't warmed up yet, so the engine was cold. And I just moved on up that hill and the check engine light came on. So we're going to turn it off. We're going to put it to accessory and then to run. So you don't want to actually start the car, just put it into run. Come over here, erase codes. Yes. And it says it failed. Try again. We're going to go to the code reader, read the codes. Although it appears that the code reader failed to turn off the check engine light, no codes are stored, so maybe it's taking care of it. It has in fact deleted all codes and turned off the check engine light, and the car must be restarted. Alright, well, it says it's taking care of it. I see that's still there, but let's turn it off. Go ahead and start it. Looks like our check engine light is off. Alright, so we've done it. We've erased that code, even though it said to turn it off and back on again. Well, when I turned it off, I guess, and back on again, it removed the check engine light. Alright, yes. Alright, so we're all done here. We'll check, scroll down through the menu, exit. Yep. We'll just see if there's any engine codes now. Codes found, 0. So everything's good. Alright. So yeah, just get your OBD2 code reader. About $17 is what I found at Walmart. And clear that engine code on the 2017 Dodge Journey. So turn it off and then disconnect it. You're all done.